Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fill out a form in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or reinstalled, what you want to do is to go ahead and go to the official Adobe website right here at adobe.com, from where we can get started with accessing the Adobe Acrobat section. Here you're going to have the download button that's going to enable you to download and install the application. So once you've done that and open it up, you're going to be greeted by this home page right here. From there, we are going to go and be able to take a look at the recommended tools section. That is great for beginners to be able to take a look at all the use cases you can use with this program. So let's go and take a look at how to fill out forms. As you can see, there is an article on the official Adobe Acrobat help page on filling out and signing forms. That's going to enable us to follow it step by step. So what you need to do to be able to learn to fill and sign forms is to go ahead and find the options right here in the tools section. As you can see, you are going to have fill and sign, which is going to enable us to fill in forms, add our signature, and so on. Once you open it up, it's going to look like this. You are going to go and be able to select a file, add your PDF file, and then you can go ahead and get started following the steps right here. Depending on your use case, what you need it for, you can go ahead and find it right here. So I suggest to go to this article, find the step by step, and get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching today's one. I hope I'll see you in the next one. And if you need any more help, you can go ahead and check out any of our other videos for any more Adobe Acrobat help.